So in this video we are gonna looking at the basics and the interface of Canva. So my dear friends, without wasting any more time, let's move on to the tutorial.
Dear friends, now we are gonna see the topics which we are gonna cover in this video. So as you can see on my left hand side, these are the topics which we are going to cover in our video. So topic number 1 is creating an account in Canva, to start up with the Canva. In topic number 2, we are gonna see the interface and the all basics of Canva. So my dear friends, without wasting any more time, let's move on to the practical tutorial. So my dear friends, for logging in Canva or creating an account in Canva, step number 1 is opening Google Chrome in your PC. So let's open it. So my dear friends, now as you can see, the Google Chrome has been opened in my computer. So now second step is to search Canva in the search bar of Google. So let's search it. So for searching Canva, what you need to do, you just need to go to the search bar of Google and here just search Canva. So C-A-N-V-A Canva and just press enter. So after doing that, what you need to do, you just need to click on the first link, which is Canva. Just click on this link. After clicking on this link, you will get something like this. So now, if you are new to Canva, you just need to register. Otherwise, if you are old to Canva, you just need to click on begin session. So I'm just gonna show you these two ways how to do it. So let's begin with the register way first. So just click on register, then select the way you want to register. So I'm just gonna click on register with Google. So after clicking on register with Google, you will get something like this. So now if you want to register with the email which has already logged in your Google account, you can use that. Otherwise, you can use another account. So at this time, I'm gonna use another account to register with my Canva account. So let's do it. So I'm just gonna click on use another account, and then what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna enter my email. So let's enter it. So after entering your email, what you need to do, you just need to click on the following option right over here. So after that, enter the password of your email. So now I'm just gonna enter the password of my email. So now you need to tell the goal that why you are using Canva. So I'm just gonna click on personal use. So it depends on your goal that why you are using that. So if you want to try Canva Pro for free, you can start a free trial and you can cancel it whenever you want. So here you just need to do nothing, just click on later again. So create your first design. So here what we need to do, we just need to do nothing. We just need to refresh the Canva once again by just clicking on reload this page option. Okay.
So my dear friends, now let's look at the interface of Canva. So my dear friends, as you can see here on my screen, I have the home page of Canva. So what we can do in Canva, we can edit videos in Canva, we can create beautiful fascinating Instagram posts, we can create presentations, we can create posters, we can create logo, we can create resumes. As much we can do. You can see here we have a lot of things which we can do in Canva. But I'm gonna focus on the main targets, which is YouTube thumbnail editing. I'm just gonna teach you this in this whole Canva tutorial series. I'm not gonna go more deeper to Canva because the Canva is mostly used for YouTube video editing and Instagram posts and YouTube thumbnail editing. So now I'm not gonna waste your time, I'm just gonna directly teach you the interface of Canva. So let's start it. I can say the most thing which is used in Canva to create a new design, this option right over here. I just click on this option and I just type the thing which I want to do, and then I just click on that thing and then I start editing. So this is the main key which is very useful in Canva. But whether if I want to create my own personal design but it has a custom size, I can also do it. And I can also edit photos and I can also import PDF. Okay, it depends on you what you want to do. So this is the main button of Canva. But otherwise, if you want pre-made templates, you just need to search in the search bar of Canva what you want to create. So let's imagine I want to create a Facebook post. I just click here. After clicking on that, I got a lot of templates. But whatever if I do here, I just search Facebook post, it will give me a blank Facebook post design. I need to edit in that. So this is the difference between create a design button or search in Canva. Okay, so these are the difference. So these are the two main things which we need to target in Canva's interface. So you don't need to look at more deeper in Canva interface because these are the two main things. So my dear friends, in this video it's only this. Let's see you in next video. In next video we are gonna looking at how to edit or customize pre-made templates. So let's see you in next video. Until that, if you want to learn how to create YouTube logo, you can click on the first video. Otherwise, if you want to know how to create a YouTube thumbnail, you can click on the second video. See you in next video. Until then, goodbye.